Been doing some dipping. So there's enamel, 2-pack paint, 1-pack paint, water-based paint and primer. Last time I did this at home, the lid came off and 4 litres of paint and all down me, shoes, garage floor. Here's the radiator sample. A little bit of rust on it, but that hardly matters for this test. Quite a thick mix this. Normally we would apply it diluted with water so it's thinner, but again for this test, just to see how it fares when being baked and then how hard it is once it's baked, it doesn't really matter. There we are, and those samples will dry overnight, and then tomorrow morning I'll fire up the oven and we'll bake them at different temperatures. First of all 70 degrees, rising up to as much as 120.